A baby climbs the edge of a balcony. One wrong move, and he falls. But the golden retriever sees it all. He pushes a chair, jumps high, and mid-air catches the baby just in time. They land safely on the grass below. A mother's scream turns into tears of relief. This dog didn't just save a life. He's a hero in fur. Real heroes don't wear capes. They wear collars.
A gentle, emotional, acoustic instrumental with soft piano melodies, warm strings then slow, getting calm in bed, minute feelings of peace, hoping quiet, reflecting for a touching moment.